Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchiladas without an oven. First, gather your ingredients, including tortillas, your preferred filling, and enchilada sauce. You'll need a large skillet or pan with a lid. This method is perfect for quick weeknight dinners or when your oven is occupied. We'll focus on achieving that classic enchilada flavor and texture using alternative cooking methods. Start by preparing your filling. Whether it's seasoned ground beef, shredded chicken, or a vegetarian option, ensure it's fully cooked and flavorful. Next, gently warm your corn or flour tortillas in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 15 seconds per side. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing when rolling. Have your favorite enchilada sauce, about 2 cups, warmed and ready to go. Now for assembly. Dip each warm tortilla into your enchilada sauce, ensuring it's lightly coated. Place a portion of your filling down the center, then roll the tortilla tightly. Arrange the rolled enchiladas seam side down in a large skillet that has a thin layer of sauce on the bottom. Pour the remaining sauce over the top, ensuring everything is covered. Cover the skillet and simmer over medium-low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Once heated through, your stovetop enchiladas are ready. Garnish them generously with shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, and fresh cilantro. The cheese will melt beautifully from the residual heat. Serve these delicious enchiladas immediately with your favorite sides, like rice and beans, for a satisfying meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, oven-free feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.